Hello and welcome to STEAM Executive, the Success Brain Lesson 15. And this is the end of Module 2 Summary and Reflections. Um, Limiting beliefs really do put our lives in a stranglehold, and they can lead us to believe that we have limited options to deal with our challenges, or that we are limited in doing new things. These beliefs have profound negative consequences, and eliminating them is one of the best things we can do for ourselves. Our limiting beliefs comes from a variety of sources: friends, family, teachers, neighbors, religion, the media, and our own interpretations of the world and the events in our lives. In many cases, the source of the limiting belief truly had our best interest at heart. So the people around us have a significant effect on us. By examining those beliefs and asking ourselves some key questions, we can eliminate them. Unless we have experienced it numerous times, or we have the advice of an expert, we don't really have the knowledge to make accurate judgment about something. So be selective about whom you believe. Installing a new empowering belief is similar to installing a limiting belief, except that the process has intention behind it. A new belief needs evidence to support it before it can be built. A new belief will leave clues in the form of new behavior and different results. As you all know, measuring yourself in your life is important. And this measurement process is critical, both to see if the new belief is in place and if it is indeed an empowering belief. By systematically going through all of your limiting beliefs, it is possible to dramatically improve your life. And always remember that new limiting beliefs will occur over time, and it is important to check yourself for these new limiting beliefs. Life can be relatively easy and simple. So deal with your mental obstacles, and you will see those are essentially the only obstacles you have. Look at your limiting beliefs today, and your life will never be the same. There are some self-reflections exercise, so please download, print, and complete the worksheets. Are limiting beliefs holding you back from your additional resources box? And next, now that you understand how important your mindset is to your success, the next module gives you a process you can follow to achieve your goals. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next lesson.